Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to graph the function of cosx. The graph should be like this. We know that they just concentrate from negative b over 2 to positive b over 2. So the area we need to concentrate, that's about this one. And now if we look carefully on the graph, we see that this is on the positive. So we can set up about the integration, and you will go about the integral from negative b over 2 to positive b over 2, and we have cosx dx. The integral of cosx, you will go about sine x, and we have the bounds from b over 2, from negative b over 2 to positive b over 2. So you will got about the final answer. So this one you got about number 1. This one you got about negative number 1, but we have another negative in here, and you got about 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.